Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys know Nikki, there has been going like this thing on YouTube where everybody is like recreating her look. So I'm going to do something unique, and I'm actually going to let my daughter recreate one of her contouring videos in my face. So
first the forehead, because you know.
I can't see you.
Of course they can, because I'm special. No. So now I'm going to go under her chin to hide anything. And the freckles. I'm going to try to hide the freckles. Because she has freckles. She doesn't like freckles, but she still has the freckles. Now I'm going to do her eyelids.
I make soft motions. And I follow my cheek.
Mm-hmm.
So what I usually do then is grab more powder,
Pause it so
and I'm going to start intensifying it.
I'm going to have to blend this in later, like the bottom part that I messed up on.
Just with soft circular motions like this, you start diffuse and blend that out.
Or dab, dab, dab.
Round it out right to that side of that nose and follow the curve. So far, we have total and follow my hairline. And if you have a big forehead like I do, this will do magic on camera. So right now we've got a really nice soft contour going on, as you can see. Here, So what I usually do then is go to a new brush, which is the Makeup Studio S01. It's a really big.
So guys, I'm gonna combining it to the thing that over here in the bottom. The thing that we did first, not the foundation, just the cheekbone majiggy. Alright.
Big motions.
Alright.
Upward.
I remember she said upward. Okay. Mom, what's in my shirt say?
Born to be a princess.
I am born to be a princess. And you're the queen. I don't know. I'm lost. Alright.
Never go below that line. We just so just circular shape motions on your contour line going up. Again, for this, I keep it all to the side of my face. This bronzer does not go into that curve. Now, what bronzer is also great for is, and then also what I do is blend it in to my neck. This will also help blend certain parts a little bit nicer, and it will just make the overall look a little bit softer. Now what you would automatically go to is blush. But no. The trick for a perfectly highlighted skin is highlight first and blush after. I usually find that if I put blush on first and highlight after, the highlight kind of looks like we're focusing on first.
Oh, girl,
It's a lot.
And then I always take a little bit more.
Smile. Deepest smile. And I love your makeup, Mom. Oh, thank you. Listen, Mom.
Extra glowy, take a little bit and go right above your arch of your brow. Right there. Ooh, right there. That's where you want to go. So then it highlights here, 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 and if you want, you can also do your chin. And then you will look super, super glowy and luminous and beautiful. So I think it's time to brush this away, contour and highlight.
Alright guys, so she's done. I have not seen it yet, so can I please have a mirror?
Can I fix something?
No.
Oh, okay.
So let's see. What do you guys think? What do you think?
Terrible. Okay, guys. Before you see her reaction, I am a beginner. Okay, please.
Oh my goodness. Whoa, where are my eyebrows?
I told you it was terrible.
Oh my goodness, what is this?
It's kind of good. Like, look at the good side.
Wow, that is wow. I don't know.
I have some things to fix. You didn't let me.
Wow. So I guess that's how it would look if I get like really tanned. Well, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching my daughter do a Nikkie tutorial on me. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, even though we were a little bit quiet and this and that. But do you want to say anything?
Yes. Nikki, if you're watching this, I'm sorry.
Hey guys, thank you. Make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you guys view my other videos as well.
Can I fix it?